Good morning and welcome to our story. Can you guess what our story is about? Almost. It is the mouse. If you give a mouse a cookie, mouse, but it's actually if you take a mouse to school. Laura Numeroff is our author of all the stories If You, and Felicia Bond did all of the illustrations. So I'm going to read it to you today. And when you're done, you're going to draw your favorite part. You're going to have to tell a grown-up what your favorite part is for them to write it down on your paper. And don't forget, very important, write your name on your paper where I can see it. So if you take a mouse to school. There he is, all asleep, and I think that alarm clock's going to go off. If you take a mouse to school. They're getting ready. I like his pajamas with the cookies on it. If you take a mouse to school. Wonder what's going to happen here. He'll ask you for your lunchbox. When you give him your lunchbox, he'll want a sandwich and a snack for later. Then he'll need a notebook and some pencils. Yes, those are important school tools. He'll probably want to share your backpack too. There he is, hiding in there. When you get to school, he'll put his things in your locker and take a look around. Definitely looks different than our school. He might do a little math and spell a word or two, and he'll even try a science experiment. I hope he's being safe as a scientist. Then he'll need to wash up. You'll have to take him to the bathroom. Once he's nice and clean, he'll be ready for his lunch. On the way to the lunchroom, he'll see some building blocks. He'll build a little mouse house. I don't think that's so little. And he'll make some furniture out of clay. Then he'll need some books for his bookshelf. He'll start by writing one of his own. He will need lots of paper. He'll probably use up all your pencils. When he's finished, he'll want to read his book to you. Then he'll want to take it home. So he will put it in your lunchbox and tuck it in a safe place. Can you see where it's hiding there? When the bell rings, he'll run out to wait for the bus. While he's waiting, he'll play a quick game of soccer, and then he'll ask you to shoot a few baskets and do a little skateboarding. Wow, he needs to tie his shoe. Then when he stops to catch his breath, he'll want to eat his snack, so he'll ask you for your lunchbox. And chances are, if he asks you for your lunchbox, you'll have to take him, do you know where? Back to school. Looks like he has his favorite after-school snack. I hope you enjoyed If You Take a Mouse to School by Laura Numeroff and illustrations by Felicia Bond. See you later, cookies.